This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English question about punctuation. So we see here in our underlined phrase, we have a comma between this equipment and additional. So we're going to want to see the correct punctuation to use in the sentence. Let's read the sentence first to get a good idea of what kind of punctuation we're going to need. Performance increased greatly with the improved electrical equipment, comma, additional battery capacity, and the fact of the extra addition of the snorkel, comma, making the submarine a truly formidable craft. So we see here that we're listing these three things, this electrical equipment, additional battery capacity, and the extra addition of the snorkel are the three components that are really going to help our submarine. So since we want to list something, we list in commas. So this is the choice we already have. But let's examine the other answer choices before we make a hasty decision. We see in answer choice 2, a semicolon. A semicolon can only serve to set apart two sentences or phrases that can stand alone. So were we to have a semicolon right here, we'd see this performance increased greatly with improved electrical equipment. That's not a standalone sentence, that's a fragment. So this is bad. Let's get rid of that. Similarly, if we have no punctuation, we'll see that this creates a run-on situation. Performance increased greatly with the improved electrical equipment, additional battery capacity. This is wrong. Choice number 4 is interesting because it has a comma here before additional and here right after. So if we read this out, we'll hear, performance increased greatly with the improved electrical equipment, additional, battery capacity. This is making additional sound like it's its own item in the list, when additional is really just an adjective that's applying to battery capacity, additional battery capacity. So since additional is not its own term in the list, it's just an adjective, these commas are going to be wrong. So we'll see that our original commas that you're setting apart, this electrical equipment, battery capacity, and the additional fact of the snorkel, that's going to be right. So choice number 1 is our correct answer.